Conquering fractions. Ascend and descend the number line. Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new lesson in our English language learning series. Today, we're going to tackle an important part of numbers in English: fractions. Not just fractions, but how to arrange them in a specific order, both ascending and descending. It may seem daunting at first, but don't worry, together we will conquer the world of fractions. Before we get into ordering fractions, it's essential to have a solid understanding of what a fraction is. A fraction represents a part of a whole. It has two parts: the numerator, which is the number above the line, and the denominator, which is the number below the line. For example, in the fraction 3/4, 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Now that we have a grip on what fractions are, let's understand what we mean by ascending and descending order. Ascending order means arranging numbers from the smallest to the largest, while descending order is the opposite, arranging numbers from the largest to the smallest. It's like climbing up and sliding down a hill, respectively. Comparing fractions is key to arranging them. It can be tricky, especially when the denominators are not the same. To compare two fractions, we make the denominators the same by finding the least common denominator, LCD. Take 1/2 and 3/4 for example. The LCD of 2 and 4 is 4. We can convert 1/2 to 2/4. Now we can compare 2/4 and 3/4. It's clear that 3/4 is larger. Let's now arrange fractions in ascending order. Take 1/2, 3/4, and 1/3. First, we find the LCD of 2, 4, and 3, which is 12. We convert all the fractions to have the denominator 12. 1/2 becomes 6/12, 3/4 becomes 9/12, and 1/3 becomes 4/12. Now, we arrange them from smallest to largest: 4/12, 6/12, 9/12. Therefore, in ascending order, the fractions are 1/3, 1/2, 3/4. Arranging fractions in descending order follows the same process. Let's take 1/2, 3/4, and 1/3 again. As before, we find the LCD and convert all the fractions to have this denominator. Then, we arrange them from largest to smallest: 9/12, 6/12, 4/12. So, in descending order, the fractions are 3/4, 1/2, 1/3. And that's how you arrange fractions in ascending and descending order. I hope this video has shed light on this interesting area of numbers and made it easier for you to conquer the world of fractions. Keep practicing and soon, you'll be able to order fractions like a pro. Thank you for joining me in today's lesson. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.